Okay, by James Dean. Captain Pete looks across Cat Cove. The sun is... It's a beautiful day for an adventure. Something flies towards Captain Pete's ship. It's a...
Parrot.
That's correct. What's the parrot says?
Squawk.
That's right. She gives Captain Pete a crumpled piece of...
Paper.
What is it? Ask first. Who's this? Mate Callie. Captain Pete looks at the paper. There's a long trail that ends with an...
Bench.
What letter is that?
X.
That's right. It's a... What is this?
Treasure map.
Treasure map, he says. Treasure, says first Mate Callie. Where? On Secret Island, says Captain Pete. Let's go, says first Mate Callie. Yoo-hoo! Cries the crew. Treasure! Captain Pete steers the ship through the big waves. The salty wind pushes the sails. The ship is going really fast. Whoosh!
Boom.
Splash! Good job, Matei, says Captain Pete.
Pete.
Yes, we'll be there in no time.
No time.
Uh-oh, Captain Pete spoke too soon. He spies something coming towards them. What is that?
Sea monster.
Asked first mate. A giant arm reaches up and splashes the water. It makes a wave that crashes down on Pete's boat. Ker splash! What the parrot says here?
Quack.
What about the crew?
Arr.
That's right, Paige. Another arm comes crashing down. The crew is scared, but not Captain Pete. He knows that the monster isn't trying to scare them. He's rocking a cool beat. What the monster says? Grrr, splash! Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums. The monster rises out of the water, but the monster stops when he hears Pete playing. He nods his head. Can you nod your head? That's right. He's not scary sea monster. He's an awesome sea drummer.
Drummer.
Yeah, he's a drummer. Rock on, says Captain Pete. Thanks, booms the monster.
No.
Oh no, Captain, shouts first mate Callie. A big storm is coming. Oh, what is this yellow thing?
Net.
That's a lightning.
No, lightning.
Yeah, and this is the cloud and raindrops. Batten down the hatches, says Captain Pete. Everyone gets ready for the storm. The waves toss the ship, but the crew is brave. Next page. Captain Pete has an idea. Hey there, friend. He yells to the sea monster. We need some help. The monster grabs the ship with his giant arm and gives it a great big boost. The ship moves right through the storm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4 arms. Hooray! Shouts the crew as the monster swims up to the boat. Thanks, friends, yelled Captain Pete. No problem, booms the monster. Land ho! Yells first mate Callie. pointing out over the sea. All the pirates rush to look. Oh, it's...
a secret island.
That's right. It's Secret Island, says Captain Pete. On the beach, who's this?
That's a body Todd.
Yeah, that's Buddy Grumpy Todd. Is waiting with a glittering pile of treasures. The crew is so happy. They do cartwheels in the sun.
The crew is happy and we found a treasure.
I think we're missing something, says Captain Pete. Let's play some music. Okay, let's play music. What a great idea, says Grumpy Todd. The pirates load all the treasure onto the ship. Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums. But something is missing from his song.
Four.
Four?
Arms.
That's right. Our drummer, Captain Pete, says as the sea monster pops his head above the waves. Would you like to join my crew? Aye, booms the monster. Rock on, Captain Pete says as the monster joins in on a rockin' pirate tune. Captain Pete's crew is complete. All the pirates sing. Can you sing? Can you sing this line here? Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for us. Okay, your turn, Chloe. Let's sing this together. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate life for us. How about you only? Okay.
Wait for us.
Great job. High five. Okay, the end.
Thank you for reading with me.